Good day everyone. I'm not a chef, and today we are making tofu 3 ways. We will start with tofu kimchi soup. Cut 1 small onion into thin slices. Dice 1 clove of garlic. Cut 1 packet of tofu into big cubes. Cut 100 grams of beef into small strips. In a pan, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Drop the onion in the hot oil. And stir until it's translucent. Add the garlic and stir. Add the beef and stir. Add salt, black pepper, and stir. Add 1 glass of water and let it boil. Then lower the heat and cover for 15 minutes. Add kimchi and stir. Half tablespoon of gochujang. Chili flakes. Add half a glass of water. Then add the tofu and stir. Cover and boil for 10 minutes. Next is tofu with hibiscus tea sauce. In a bowl, put 5 tablespoons of flour, add salt, black pepper, paprika, and mix. Add milk and mix until you reach this consistency. Cut the tofu into cubes. Put the tofu in the batter. Deep fry, and remember, the fried batter is there to absorb the sauce. Dice 7 bird eye red chilies. In a cup, put some dried hibiscus. Add hot water and stir. Cut one scallion into small pieces. Cut a handful of parsley. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of starch. Add 5 teaspoons of water and stir. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wok. Then put the chili and stir. Add the scallion and stir. Add chili flakes. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Add half a cup of hibiscus tea. Add the starch and stir. When it thickens, add the tofu and stir. Then add the parsley and stir. The last is honey almond tofu. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes. Cover the tofu in starch. In a skillet, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 3 tablespoons of honey and stir. Put the tofu cubes. Flip to fry all sides. Add almond flakes and stir.